Wire spool installation guide. Remove the retaining clip, spring, and washer. Ensure the inner ring of the spool fits correctly over the locating slot. Also, feed wire counterclockwise from bottom. Reinstall the washer, spring, and retaining clip. Release the pressure regulator, open the pressure arm and the cover. If using 0.8 mm wire, the side marked 08 must face inward. Cut off the bent end of the welding wire. Feed the wire through the inlet guide, roller groove, and outlet guide. After the wire feeds through, flip down the pressure arm and screw down the tensioner. Pass the wire through the central hole and tighten the joint. Remove the nozzle and contact tip from the torch. Press the torch trigger until the wire extends, then release. Reinstall the contact tip and nozzle. Done!